Data-centric security is the ability to take a very data-centric view of security and make security independent of the device, the application, the network, or the person. Data-centric security involves discovering where is the data, identifying what is the data, controlling what can be done with the data, and then finally monitoring what happened to the data.
All of this while the data is at rest, in transit, and in use.
Several trends are forcing enterprises to beef up their data-centric security infrastructure, including 1. Users are increasingly working outside of the corporate network and often include partners and subcontractors, making it more difficult to control information. 2. Technology and process innovations such as the use of personal devices, file sharing services, the shift to largely ungoverned cloud applications, and outsourcing makes it difficult to remain agile without impacting data security. 3. The onslaught of new regulations which require organizations to control, track, and even revoke information beyond the perimeter. Traditional security systems are no longer enough to keep an enterprise agile, compliant, and secure. That said, how can enterprises bring together the best-of-breed technologies to address the growing need for data-centric security? There are 4 primary components of the data-centric security model. The first is discover, detecting where sensitive information is across the organization using a content-aware DLP or a CASB solution. Identify, labeling the sensitivity level of a document or information, typically done using data classification tools. Protect, securing the information with persistent granular usage control using a rights management solution. And last but not the least is analyze. Tracking the use of information down to who is doing what with the information, from which location and when. Our goal at Seclore is to make it easy for you to bring together best-of-breed data-centric security solutions into an automated and integrated framework to ensure that you are closing security gaps efficiently and effectively. Let's go back to the core data-centric security solutions, starting with protection. Seclore Rights Management enables organizations to attach persistent, granular usage controls to protect and track information wherever it travels, even while it is being utilized in applications. The Seclore data classification solution is ideal for areas of your organization where you haven't yet identified the sensitivity level of documents. Because of the integrated platform, as an employee classifies a document, Seclore Rights Management will automatically add protection to the document based on the classification meta tag. Seclore also offers connectors to the leading DLP and CASB systems. As you detect sensitive information within these systems, you can automatically add rights and protect those documents as they are detected, minimizing the interruption of workflows. The last part of the core platform is analysis. Seclore automatically consolidates the details of how documents are being used, from which location and when, ideal for streamlined audit and compliance reporting.
These core data-centric security solutions are seamlessly integrated using the Seclore Unified Policy Manager. The Seclore Unified Policy Manager is the heart and soul of the Seclore Data-Centric Security Platform.
Number 1, manages the policies that control how recipients can utilize information, including federation of policies from other enterprise systems to automate protection. Number 2, includes identity management to simplify authentication of users. Number 3, collects the document usage data for audits. Number 4, performs encryption and key management. And number 5, orchestrates the connection to the data-centric security solutions and other enterprise systems. Data-centric security is even more powerful when it's integrated with the existing enterprise systems using the connectors I just mentioned. Let's take a look at how it works. First, through connectors to leading data repositories, you can automatically add protection to data at rest in bulk. This is a quick fix to closing security gaps without manual employee intervention. Second, Seclore also offers connectors to messaging and collaboration systems, also referred to as data in motion, making it seamless for users to protect messages, attachments, and email content as it is created and sent. Third, through connectors to endpoints, you can control data in use across devices. Fourth, there are Seclore connectors for security systems to streamline authentication of users and simplify policy management. And finally, connectors for leading analytics systems enable the export of usage data for audit and compliance reporting. In summary, the objective of the Seclore Data-Centric Security Platform is to offer you a way to maximize your ability to utilize the latest data-centric security technology, seamlessly add data-centric security to your existing enterprise systems, automate document protection to ensure security gaps are rapidly and consistently closed, and simplify the management of data protection policies and compliance reporting. I'm Vishal Gupta, and I Seclore it.